Welcome to my another tutorial on how to install HP Laser 1008A printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. Please come on the screen. I will show you which driver you will require. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, just right click on the downloaded file and click on open. If it is asking for permission, please click on yes. It is extracting the drivers now, so please wait here. The printer installation wizard has been opened up. Just click on next. Tick both of the checkbox and then click on next again. And now check your printer connection type. Which printer connection type do you prefer, a USB or wireless? And click on yes. You can select this option. Select if you want to install software without connecting the printer. You can check this option. This is the driver and this is the software that will install on your computer. So please click on next. Now it is installing the drivers, so please wait. Now it is installing the software, the print manager software. It takes time, so you will have to wait here. Check this option, enable print status monitor, and then click on next. Click on finish. The printer installation has been done. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like this video, if you find this video useful, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.